up, YouTube? Got me, Snowman22, back at it again. In a fucking bubble suit. Drinking a St. Ides, motherfucker. Bubble suit and a St. Ides, motherfucker. Shout out to the Smurf Smuggler. I'm not gonna throw it. Shout out to the Winter Savage, Giggles, and Champagne 4167. Wow. That tastes like shit.
That tastes like poo.
They expired in October. Yeah.
Really?
I'm pretty sure it says October 2016 right on it.
Gross, dude. I'm gonna die of some fucked up shit, dude.
No, they just taste better.
It's like wine.
It's better with age.
Like us. Gets better with age.
Just drunk every time.
Ready? Dude, so I was supposed to sign this paper and give it to my boss at work today. I did not. I did not do that.
What is it? Is it good?
No, dude. People have been playing with their fucking phones at work. So, like, they printed out a thing from HR, sent them an email, and then we all have to sign it and then fucking give it to the dude. But I didn't do that today. He like handed them out to everyone. He's like, I need these by the end of the day. Like, fold up, put them in my back pocket. Alright, see you at the end of the day, bro. And then I got let out an hour and a half early. So, I mean, half an hour early. So I was like, peace. You said I could leave. I heard you say it. Peace the fuck out.
I've done one of these in 10 minutes once.
Yeah?
Yeah. It doesn't look like it's going to happen again.
Why? Can't have that kind of attitude. You gotta have a can-do attitude, right?
Yeah? Let's see you finish that in 10 minutes.
I'm not gonna finish this all night. No, I will. That's a lie. But it's gonna take a bit. Like 12 times 10 minutes.
120 minutes?
Yeah, 2 hours. Something like that.
Yeah, I went to 3 Targets today.
Yeah.
Looking for this thing. 2 Walmarts. 4 GameStops.
It's all sold out, dude? Why is it sold out? Like, what is it?
It's not even a new system. It came out 5 years ago. Like what?
No one has it in stock, though. Was it just a handheld one?
Yeah. But you can like download games from PS3 onto it and play PS3 games on it. Never mind, it has like its own birthday minor game.
There's no interested in.
Well, that was a wet one. Yeah, it was a wet one.
So, I have a feeling we'll be dipping into this tonight. Whew. Maybe. Because I don't think you have anything else to drink, do you?
No.
My brother drank my dude 3 olives on me.
What a douchebag.
Dude, he gave me the money for it, so it's fine. He bought me a 40 the other day when I asked him if he wanted to come drink one. But then when I offered the money, he was like, no, I drank your booze, it's fine. What? It's not fine at all, dude.
Drink your booze. Thanks, asshole.
That's what I said. I'll be right back. I need to sell drugs.
Shout out to 209 J Jones. Shout out to the camera falling down. Fix this.
Camera fall.
Yeah, big time. But I fixed it. Me and my bubbly ways.
Straight.
Got another box today with a bunch of sucky shit.
Yeah.
Literally a fucking a lighter with a bottle opener on it. Another bandana. A giant dab mat that has like emojis all over it. A whole bag of stickers. And a shitty ass $5 pipe. I was like, wow, got fucking gypped this month. See what next month brings.
Alright. Call it and cancel that one.
Hopefully it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a Darth Vader thing next month. Look, I lift the foot because of the boot.
Oh no, dude. These bubble suits. Fucking dog
Yeah, I'm
shit.
gonna have to take the boots off to take this off, take the pants off. Oh, I'm gonna get us 3.5 minutes left.
Chopper, don't fucking look at me like that, dude.
Goddamn.
Goddamn.
Say goddamn eyes. Ruthless. Drunk already. Oh, I wish I had my shout out list. God damn. Shout out to Mr. Panther 40 ounce. Shout out to The Real Steel Tits. Shout out to Sanity's Such a Drag. Shout out to Mr. Met 40 ounce in the Oak Town Hellbilly. Shout out to Steven Mulchern. Shout out to Log Hog and some other bitch. Shout out to Witz Blitzed. Yeah. Don't shout out to you in fucking time. Shout out to Steel Worldwide. Shout out to actually fuck 40 LaForge. Shout out to Shits Oils. Shout out to Midwestern MLVs. Shout out to J Esco and R Esco. I mean J Esco me. Shit, fuck that up. Very drunk. Woo! So close. And time's up.
10 minutes on the video.
Yeah. Plus,
You don't show